Can you manifest while depressed? Or do you have to fix yourself first? Because if you spend any time in manifestation spaces, you've probably heard your vibration has to be high, you attract what you feel, good vibes only. So what happens when you don't feel good? When getting out of bed feels heavy, when your thoughts feel dark, when motivation is gone. Does that mean you're blocked, unable to manifest? Today we're having a compassionate, grounded conversation about depression and manifestation and how to approach your dreams without abandoning your mental health. First, we need to separate two things: clinical depression, feeling low, burnt out, or emotionally heavy. Clinical depression is a real medical condition. It is not a mindset failure. It is not low vibration. It is not something you manifested because you thought negatively. Organizations like the NHS recognize depression as a serious mental health condition that can affect mood, energy, sleep, appetite, and concentration. And conversations around mental health, including public figures speaking openly, have become more visible in recent years. Even members of the royal family have spoken publicly about therapy and mental health struggles. Depression is not a spiritual flaw, it is a health issue. If you are struggling deeply, professional support matters. Manifestation is not a replacement for therapy, medication, or support systems. Now, with that grounded, let's talk about the manifestation side. Manifestation culture often simplifies everything into energy. High vibration equals good outcomes. Low vibration, blocked outcomes. But that framework becomes harmful when applied to mental health, because depression can make it nearly impossible to feel excited, feel grateful, visualize vividly, believe affirmations. So when someone says, just feel good, it can feel insulting. You cannot force joy. You cannot affirm your way out of a nervous system that's exhausted. And you cannot shame yourself into healing. And if manifestation requires constant happiness, then only the already happy would ever succeed, and that is not reality. So can you manifest while depressed? Here's the honest answer. Yes, but it looks different. Manifestation while depressed is not about high energy, intense visualization, euphoric belief. It becomes about stability, micro actions, reducing resistance, building tiny evidence. You might not be able to feel excited about your dream life, but you can drink water, reply to one email, go for a 5-minute walk, apply for one opportunity, watch one helpful video. Manifestation at its core is movement towards something, even a small movement. So when you're depressed, the goals shift from massive expansion to gentle forward motion. That still counts. If you're depressed, avoid these manifestation traps. Forcing gratitude. If gratitude feels fake, don't force it. Instead of I'm so grateful for everything, try I'm open to small improvements. Neutral is powerful. Stop binging affirmations, repeating I am happy, I am abundant, I am thriving. When you feel the exact opposite, can create internal conflict. Affirm what's believable. I'm allowed to move slowly. I can take one step. I am learning how to cope better. Stop blaming yourself. Depression is not proof of you manifesting badly. It is not a punishment from the universe. Life includes biology, chemistry, stress, trauma, environment. You are not spiritually defective. Instead of asking, how do I manifest my dream life while depressed? Ask, how do I build capacity while depressed? Capacity means, can I tolerate discomfort? Can I regulate slightly? Can I complete one task? Can I ask for support? Manifestation becomes capacity building, and this changes outcomes over time. Small, consistent actions reshape identity. Identity shapes behavior. Behavior shapes results, not overnight magic, but real change. During depression, manifestation becomes choosing to stay, choosing to try again tomorrow, choosing to reach out, choosing one aligned action. Sometimes the manifestation isn't the money relationship, or success, it's resilience. It's surviving a season you thought would break you. And when your energy returns, because seasons shift, you'll have already the infrastructure of self-trust. So here are some action steps I'd love for you to take. Define your bare minimum. Ask, what is my minimum variable day? Maybe it's having a shower, eating twice, a 5-minute walk, one productive action. Anything beyond that is bonus. Win the minimum. Choose one micro goal. Not 10, not a full life overhaul, one small target for the week. So that could be applying for one job, uploading one video, save 10 pounds, message one friend. Micro wins rebuild belief. Regulate before you manifest. Before journaling or affirming, take 10 slow breaths. Put your hand on your chest. Step outside for 2 minutes. Safety first, strategy second. Create a still showing up list. Each day, write one thing you did, one hard moment you survived, and one small effort you made. After 7 days, read it back. Evidence matters. Seek real support. If your depression feels heavy, persistent, or overwhelming, please talk to your GP, reach out to a therapist, contact a trusted person. Manifestation supports growth. It does not replace mental health. If you're watching this while feeling low, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are not blocked. You are not incapable of building a better life. You may just be in a slower chapter, and slow chapters still move the story forward. If you want grounded manifestation conversations that protect your mental health, please subscribe. We build dreams here, but we protect ourselves while doing it. Until next time. Bye, guys.